Yes. What's going on, guys and girls? We are here again. Today, I have something special for you guys. I want to talk about something that I think a lot of traders don't talk about. So let's go. Now, that one thing is trying to be perfect. Yes. AKA perfectionist, right? And I was the same way, guys. When I first started out, I was trying to be perfect. I'll give you one example of what I mean, right? I remember when I used to take a trade, follow my system, make profits, and as soon as I close my trade, the market start to go up like crazy, right? So I'm looking at the market, I'm like, oh my gosh, I missed out on so much money, right? I should have held longer. But the more I kept trading, I realized trading isn't perfect. You can't catch the tops. You can't catch the bottoms. You don't know when the market is about to reverse when you get out. So stick to your plan. That's the best thing you could do, because you don't know if the market is going to just keep going up and up and up and up, right? Stop complaining about the market going up and look at your system. Is your system producing results, good results over and over and over? If the answer is yes, why do you care if you close out a trade and the market kept going up? I understand it hurts, but if you really look at it, right, and analyze your trades, it doesn't happen every single time, right? Sometimes when you close your trade, let's say you're going long and you close your trades, right? As soon as you close your trade, the market starts to reverse. So there are trades where you close your trade, the market reverse, and there are trades where you close your trades and the market keeps going. So I want you guys to understand you can't be perfect in this market. And another thing, when it comes to trying to be perfect, right? I see a lot of new traders do this. Even, traders that are not new, right? They try to overanalyze each trade, right? They want 20 different things to line up, and they have all those things line up, right? And then the trade is gone. So you don't have to overanalyze your trade. If it's a good trade, if it's a part of your system, if it's something that's clear, take the trade, right? Especially if it has an edge. Another good example when they try to be perfect is, when a trader try to win every single time they take a trade. It doesn't work like that. They don't want to be wrong. They want to win 80%, 90% of the time. And they don't understand that that's not reality when it comes to the market. You can't be always right, but you don't have to be always right, because you can still make money, right? And once you understand that, you can actually become a good trader. If you don't, and you still trying to be perfect and trying to have that perfect 90% system that doesn't exist, it's going to be very hard for you to take your trading to the next level. I'm probably going to say almost impossible for you to do that, because trading is not about a 90% win rate. So if you try to be perfect in trading, what's going to happen is you're going to have a good system that's profitable, and you are going to mess it up, because let's say that you have maybe 2 losers in a row or 3 losers in a row, and you're going to look at it and say, man, I got 3 losers in a row. What's going on? And you're going to look at your losers and you're going to try to figure out what's wrong with the system. A lot of times when you have a loser, there's nothing wrong with that loser. It was just a loser, all right? Yeah, some losers, you probably made a mistake, but a lot of times it's just, okay, that was a loser, next, right? So since you are trying to have that 80%, 90% win rate, you're always going to try to tweak the system and try to find out, oh, can I make this a little bit better? Can I win a little bit more? And there's nothing wrong with that, but you are not at that stage yet. You can actually increase your win rate with experience. So let's say that you're trading a strategy, and 1 year goes by and you're trading that strategy, you're making money, and let's say that you have a 55% win rate, right? And you're making money. Let's say the second year you're trading the same strategy, you didn't change anything, right? You can actually increase your win rate. Instead of having a 55% win rate, you could probably have a 65 or even 70% win rate, because now you have more experience. And that's how it works. So a lot of you guys come in here and you think you can tweak things and try to make a system perfect, but you don't have the experience yet. So just trade what you know, make your profits, and learn and gain that experience, so you can actually increase your win rate even more, right? There's no such thing as a perfect setup. There's no such thing as a perfect system. If you want to increase your win rate, increase it with experience. That's how you're going to do it. Trading is just a series of opportunities, and if we follow our strategy, we will be profitable in the long run. That's how it works. So let me show you guys a quick example. So we have 10 trades right here. So let's mark down 10, right? 10 trades. And out of that 10, you're going to win 6. And you're going to lose 4. So let's say that your winners minimum are a 2 to 1. And let's say that you're risking $100. So that means that every time you win, that's $200, okay? So $200 times 6 is what? $1,200. So if you lose 4 times, right, that is what? $400 because we're risking $100 per trade. So guys, that means that you have $800 right here, okay? $800. Trading from home. I want you to hear that. Trading from home, you have $800 this week. So let's do the math. We're talking about a system that's winning 60% of the time. 60% of the time. Is that perfect? No, that's not perfect. But you can still make money. I just showed you. So stop trying to be perfect. Guys, this is not school, okay? If you got a 60 on your test, of course you're not going to pass, right? So what I noticed is a lot of smart people, right, that come in the market that are used to getting A's in their class and 90s on the test and 100s on the test, right? And they come in trading, and when they see that they're losing 60% of the time, mentally they can't deal with that because forever they've been smart. And I remember listening to one trader that said everything, that I tried in life, I was, successful at it, right? I was smart in school. I had a good career, right? I moved up in my job. I was manager, making good pay. And then you come to trading and it smacks you in the face because you can't deal with that 60% win rate because mentally you think that something is wrong with that. You think something is wrong, 2 losers in a row or 3 losers in a row. Guys, listen, if you have a system that is winning 60% of the time and you have 4 losers in a row, okay, are you going to take the next trade? Yes, you should, because now your system telling you that you might have a winning streak, right? 6 trades in a row. But a lot of traders can't think like that. And it goes back to trying to be perfect. And I understand, okay? Especially if you really did good in school. I understand you want to get a high grade. You want that win rate to be high. I understand because you're used to that. But in the trading world, that's not reality. And it's going to hurt you if you keep trying to tweak every little loser and every little thing. You think, oh, that's something wrong with that. I got to tweak that. Oh, man, I had 2 losers in a row. I got to tweak that. There's nothing wrong with your system. You just made a profitable system a unprofitable system because you're always tweaking little things. Now, I'm not saying that your losers can't be mistakes. I'm not saying that. What I am saying is you can't just try to tweak every time you lose if it's not a mistake. So if you can't accept the reality of trading, it's going to be very hard for you to take your trading to the next level. You're going to struggle. You're going to struggle a lot if you keep trying to be perfect. Accept the fact that trading is a numbers game, and accept the fact that you're probably not going to have a high win rate, okay? You can still make money with 60%. You can still make money with a 50% win rate. You can still make money, even with a 40% win rate, okay? But you could increase your win rate with experience. So you can get to that 70%. You can get to that 75%. But that comes with experience. So if you are a perfectionist, right, and you want to be perfect, here's something you can do, right? Be perfect when it comes to following your system. Be perfect when it comes to placing your stop loss. Be perfect when it comes to trading only when the market is clear. Be perfect when it comes to not forcing any trades. That's how you be perfect. You focus on the things that you can control and you go from there. And that's how you take your trading to the next level. So guys and girls, thanks a lot for your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And also join my free Telegram group where I post motivational videos and exclusive discounts for my trading program. And if you don't have my trading program by now, make sure you pick that up because it could take your trading to the next level. I actually have a sale going on in the description below, so make sure you check that out. If you have any questions, comment below because I try to answer all your guys' questions. Thanks a lot for your time, and please have a great day.